Hello there, and a very warm welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And we have the absolute pleasure of bringing to market this incredible Mercedes-Benz coupe. So what we see in front of us here is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz CLS300dh AMG line night edition with a Premium Plus package. Now basically what all of that means is a Premium Plus package is an incredible list of equipment that's on the vehicle, and I'll try and cover as much of that as I can on this video. However, there will be a lot more information that we can divulge. Now the night edition part is all of the gloss black elements that we see, which against this graphite grey looks absolutely stunning. So yes, this vehicle is finished in the Mercedes-Benz Graphite Grey Metallic paint, and it's complemented perfectly with a full black leather upholstery. Now this vehicle has only covered 8,468 miles, and it has that absolutely superb specification. So in addition to that Premium Plus package, this vehicle also has £1,695 worth of driving assistance package. Now that will allow the driver to have an adaptive cruise control with steering assist as well. So this vehicle will accelerate, brake and steer itself, along with a whole host of additional driving assistance functions. And you're welcome to get in touch with us for us to let you know all of those other features. Now on the exterior of this vehicle, we have the Mercedes-Benz LED high performance headlights, which match the LED rear light clusters. We also have front and rear sensors, which are audible and visual, and this vehicle will provide you with a self-park into a bay or a parallel park if you wish. Part of that Premium Plus package provides you with a 360-degree camera, the reverse camera of which is kept behind the Mercedes badge, which keeps it crystal clear, as we know the back end of vehicles does pick up some dirt whilst on the road. But when you select reverse, you will always have a crystal clear view. Now being the night edition, we have a lot of gloss black elements, including the weather strip, the wing mirror, the inner edge of those absolutely beautiful 20-inch Amg Alloy Wheels, the privacy glass from that B-pillar backwards, tying it all in incredibly well. Now of course, with this CLS being the very latest offering from Mercedes-Benz, we have the brand new grille with all of those miniature Mercedes stars, giving it an excellent concept look. We can see up top we also have an electric tilting and sliding sunroof, which is in the same level of tint as the privacy glass. And as we head inside the vehicle, the list of equipment certainly does continue in here. Firstly mention, full keyless operation. So the keys are in my pocket, and as long as you're within 1 metre of the door handle, we can swipe the exterior. That's now locked. Each and every handle has this function, so you're able to touch the inside, and we're now in the car. And of course the key will stay in your pocket, and we have a push start button on the dashboard just to the left of the steering wheel. The full black leather upholstery is in absolutely stunning condition, with a contrast stitching really finishing off that interior. And we can see across the dashboard and down the door edges the silver ash trim, again providing that wonderful contrast of colours and materials. Over on the door edge, the driver and passenger have a 3-position memory function with heated seats, and we can see here the Burmester sound system, which if you're into music and high quality sound, that will not disappoint at all. The multifunction steering wheel, this is where we have a lot of the driver assistance functions. You see on the right hand side here, you're able to adjust and set the gap between you and the vehicle in front, and this vehicle will hold that gap and accelerate, brake and steer on its own accord. Now I'm going to pop the ignition on the vehicle just for a moment, and this is so that we can see just how stunning the ambient lighting is inside this vehicle. Even during the brightness of daytime, we can still see right across the dash and into the center console and inside the vents all of that ambient lighting, of which you have 64 colors to choose from, and all of this can all be operated via the Hey Mercedes voice control. Having a quick look into the rear of the vehicle. These are a 5-seat vehicle. When the CLS first came about, it was just a 4-seat car. And this will comfortably seat 3 people in the back of the car with their own ventilation and power supplies for their comfort. So an absolutely stunning, very unique looking vehicle that we are incredibly proud to be able to offer you. And here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every customer and provide a very well-rounded service all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do have a word with us. We can contact our panel of lenders and work and search to get you the very best deal. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, we have our partners at Warranty Wise, who can provide us with up to 3 years worth of an extended warranty. And last but certainly not least, if you would like to keep your vehicle looking as you see here today, we have Autoglim's Lifeshine product and our professional team able to apply that to the vehicle, and that will coat the exterior paint and bodywork and glass and all of the interior upholsteries, including leather and cloth, to ensure that the vehicle is kept in this condition for longer. So thank you once again for taking the time to look at this video. If we have missed anything, please do get in touch and we'll happily provide you with another personal video, or of course get the details to you over the telephone. So thank you once again, and bye for now.